So I called all my friends from Aqua Tech to come out and replaster the pool. I mean, the open house is tomorrow, so we'll see how this plays out. We've got the signs placed, the postcards have gone out, we've got plenty of people coming, I hope. Refreshments are done. The last thing we gotta do is... This open house is cruising along nicely with whispers of multiple offers coming through. And I'm happy to say we got multiple offers on your house.
Yeah, it's been a real journey to bring the house this far, but I feel like it's ready for a new life. So thank you.
We were honored to be a part of it. I know we had an emotional roller coaster, but again, let's just go through. I mean, the last thing that we have to do is just sign the paperwork and we can make this thing official.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
I feel really that it was just brilliant to find Skip. His great understanding of Albuquerque, his understanding of the house, our house, and its story was very moving. And I just knew from the beginning that I'd found the right people. Your property or your buying experience will go from start to finish and make you the star. So feel free to reach out. You can visit our website at soldbyskip.com or give me a call or shoot me a text. Question: are you a reality star? Visit soldbyskip.com/casting and share your story. Whether you're buying a home or selling a home, we're excited to tell your tale to the world.